alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Peace and blessings be upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and his companions and all those who follow them in righteousness till the day of judgment. Now, before we begin, let us review the letters. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ha ya, and don't forget the baby letter hamza, hamza. Alhamdulillah. And now let us come to our original lesson. Alif, lesson number 2. Alif, lam, alif. When you see two sticks pointing upwards, one of them is lam, one of them is alif. Okay, the first one is lam, the second one is alif. Lam, alif, lam, alif. It's lam, alif again. This one, it's ba, alif, ba, alif. Lam, alif, lam, alif. Okay, the point of this lesson is for you to get familiar, for you to see, not maybe get familiar, for you to see the different letters, the different letters in different positions. You know, first written in different ways. Lam, lam, alif. So don't get panicked if you don't get it. Inshallah ta'ala, you will get it soon, you know, with subsequent lessons. Lam, ha, lam, alif. So this was lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, lam, alif. You know, you have different ways of writing the same thing. Two sticks pointing up, lam, alif. Ba, lam, ba. If I show you where ba was, you know, ba is this one, and this is the lam. This is the lam. Ba, lam, ba. And, you know, just a tip of how to distinguish alif and lam. Both of them, they're like sticks pointing upwards. Alif always has a gap after it. Always has a gap after it. You know, lam has no gaps after it. Ba, lam, ba. Kaf. This is kaf. You know, and kaf, if you take the tiny thing, the Superman outside, you can write it like this. Kaf, kaf. And don't worry if you're not getting this for the first time. You know, this is the first time you're seeing it. And inshallah, in subsequent lessons, you will get more familiar with the letters. Kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, alif, kaf, alif, ba, kaf, ta, ba, kaf, ta, and ta. This is ta. Okay, this is ba, this is tha. So ba is 1 dot on the bottom, ta is 2 dots on the top, tha is 3 dots on the top. Ta, kaf, tha, ta, kaf, tha, ba, ta, tha, noon, noon, ya, ya. This is ya, all right? The last letter, ya, and this one's noon. Ba, alif, noon, alif, ta, alif, ya, alif. People get confused between these two. Ta is on the top and ya on the bottom. Okay, ta is on the top, ya on the bottom. 2 dots for both of them. Ta, alif, ya, alif, tha, alif, tha, alif, ba, sin, ya, sin, noon, sin, ba, sin, ya, sin, noon, sin, noon, kha, noon, kha. Let me show you where sin is that we came across. This is sin, and kha is this one. This is kha. Okay, once again, don't be scared because of not being familiar with the letters. You know, in subsequent times, you will get more familiar with the letters. Noon, mim, noon, mim. I'll show you where noon is. Noon is this one, and this is mim. Okay, so it's another way of writing mim. Just the end is straightened. Noon, ya, noon, ya. There we go. That's ya. And noon is 1 dot on the top. ba, ya, lam, ba, ya, lam. Ya is two dots on the bottom. Okay, two dots on the bottom. Ta, ya, noon, ta, ya, noon. Ta, two dots on the top. Ya, two dots on the bottom. And then we have noon, one dot on the top. And don't worry, you'll get there. Kha, kha, ghain, ra, ghain, ra. We will show you where ghain is. This is ghain. This is ghain. And this is ra. Ghain, ra. Ya, fa, ya, fa. Wow, wow. Hamza. Hamza, remember, is that baby letter that we talked about? This one? And Hamza sits on a chair. It sits on a car. And we won't read the alif, we'll just read Hamza. Hamza. Ya, jim, ba. Ya, jim, ba. Ya is two dots on the top. You can see on the black. The jim, it's this one. This letter, it's just the head is shown on here. Ya, jim, and ba, ba, one dot on the bottom. And don't worry if there's no confusing. You'll get there, inshallah. Just bear with me for this lesson and the next lesson. Ya, ha, ya, ha. Ha is, where are we? Ha is this letter, okay? It's like a circular heart. Ya, ha, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, alif. And this is a strange, weird way of writing the ha, okay? But this is for you to see them for the first time. Don't get intimidated. There are so many ways of writing one letter. How am I ever going to learn? No, be patient with me. You're seeing them for the first time. Ba, ha, alif, kha, dal, kha, dal, ra. Let me show you what dal is. This one is dal, and this one is kha. That's kha dal. And this one is ra. Shin, one of the letters of the alphabet. Ta, va alif, va alif. Ta sin, ta sin. Ya ha, ya ha. Ya is the letter with the two dots on the bottom. Okay, that's ya. And the ha is this one. Okay, this is the ha. Ha from the throat. Ha. Ta mim, ta mim. Ta, two dots on the top. Mim, microphone. This letter, mim, mim. This one. Ta, ya, ta, ya. Once again, ya is this one. This thing over here, it's written without the dots. Ta, ya, ya, ta, lam, ya, ta, lam. Okay, ya, two dots on the bottom, ta, two dots on the top, and lam. Ya, ta, noon, ya, ta, noon, hatha, hatha. And we're in the last line, alhamdulillah. Let's read it. Sad ayn, sad ayn. And the ayn, sad is this one, this is sad. And ayn, it's this one, okay? So what we say is just another way of writing ayn. Sad, you see the head of sad, the head of sad. And ayn, you see the tail of ayn. You see the tail of ayn. Sad ayn. And once again, please don't worry if you don't get this. You will get it eventually, inshallah. Okay, maybe you can watch this video again. Mim, ta, mim, ta, mim. Qaf, wow, qaf, wow. And we say, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.